Although RegTech is about technology used by institutions to improve their ability to comply with regulation, SoupTech is about technology used by supervisors to improve their supervision. And this is a different area which doesn't get quite as much focus, but is worth giving particular attention to this group, obviously. One of the main areas that soup tech is being used is to do with the data that's collected from institutions and how that is analysed. Uh, and a lot of these processes historically have been fairly manual, sometimes using paper-based forms, even still in some cases. But even if they're electronically submitted, they may well just be aggregated information on particular forms. So the kinds of innovations that are being used are in the way that that data is both gathered and submitted. So, for example, SoupTech applications can now get data driven by the data entry and input in the institutions. In other words, sort of individual record type data submitted. And this avoids the aggregation process, means that you get more detail, but it also means that you're less likely to be getting errors and aggregation mistakes, which cause you to go back and have to revise because you're getting the raw data itself. Second possibility is that this data might be something that you actually gather uh, on a sort of a pool basis. So you determine as a supervisor that you want to gather this information sort of periodically or for a particular occasion, and reach out into the databases of the institutions to gather that data at the time that you want it. There's also a lot of soup tech available to examine the data once it arrives, to collate and correlate and validate that data, and to then analyze it and to then feed that to the frontline supervisory staff who can make their assessments, rather than having the supervisory staff spend a lot of time manually examining data and seeking clarifications on corrections of data errors. If your institution is spending a lot of time on data correction errors, maybe you'll get a lot of benefit from this kind of soup tech approach. And this becomes very relevant if the number of institutions you supervise increases dramatically, because you're going to need to have some of these automated processes.